Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code with Deval. In today's topic, we are going to learn about how to quickly create a web application using Python's Flask library and how to run that application on your Android device and access it from any other device which are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now let's create one folder where we are going to store our Flask application and our virtual environment as well. So to create that, I'm using this command mkdir directory space flask apps. Let's move to that directory and create a virtual environment using pipenv command. The command is pipenv space install, which will create a virtual environment for you. Now let's activate our virtual environment using pipenv space shell. Now let's install Flask library with pip. For that, I'm using this command python 3 space mpip space install space flask. It will install this Flask library in our virtual environment. Now let's copy this sample code from Flask website. Just create one Python file and paste this code. I'm going to write application name as my app. That's why I'm using myapp.py. Open with any text editor. Paste that code and just save it. Now let's transfer that to our Android device. I'm already having active connection of SFTP using FileZilla. So let's upload a file to the directory which is flask underscore tabs. Now let's see how to start that application from our Android device. So here is my active session of Termux on my Android phone. Let me go to that directory which is Flask apps. Now let me start uh, virtual environment using pipenv shell. And now how to run that application is flask underscore your app name, which we can pass with parameter double dash app space your app name, like in our case that is my app, then space and write run. And we are providing this host which is localhost. For localhost we can pass this 0000 IP. Oh, sorry, it's my bad. I'm not on that directory. So let me go to that directory with cd command. Now run the same command again to start our application. Now you can see it's running on all addresses. Just open browser and add this IP 0000 and the port is 5000, right? You can see hello world is available. It means our application is working fine. We can also access this application from our PC. And we just need to write down this IP address and that's all. You can see it's running fine.